Okay, there's Finny, her sister, Lad, her brother, and Short Round, also known as Yodette. And Felix was here a minute ago. She is like half as big as Lad, her brother. There's my Danny's daughter, Dot. Hey, you guys, you want to get down and run around so we can see you doing fun things? No, it's too fun to be on the swing, huh? Come on, babies. Where's Teely? Where'd Teely go? Look at those ears. Those ears, both of them stand up now. Teely. There's Blinky. There's Teely. Hey, Teely, go up with your baby so we can see how big you are next to them. Come here. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Whoops. There's the mama. There's the mama, the baby. Hush. No need for barking. She's so comfy on that swing. She just doesn't want to leave it. Okay. Oh, that's my Short Round.